Welcome to the comprehensive training video on NissanConnect services, your gateway to a world of connectivity and convenience. In this tutorial, we'll cover all the details and features available on the profile menu of the NCS app. Profile menu icon. When you open the profile menu icon, you'll have immediate access to your personal information, including your name and email address. Upon clicking this icon, you will be presented with the following sections. Personal information. Here, you can make any necessary updates by navigating and editing your first name, last name, email, password, phone number, and country. Under Preferences. Favorite addresses. You can add your home and work addresses for quick access. Notifications. In this tab, you can toggle notifications on and off for assistance, maintenance, monitoring, and remote commands. Units. Choose between kilometers or miles as your preferred distance measurement. Dark mode. Toggle dark mode on or off, or set it to follow your device's theme. Vehicle data. This section provides information about your vehicle, including its model, VIN or Vehicle Identification Number, vehicle nickname, which you can customize, and the status of NissanConnect services, which can be activated or deactivated as needed. Security settings. In this part, you can set up a security code. To establish a security code, ensure you are in close proximity to the vehicle and that the vehicle is turned on. Upon opening this section, enter a new 4-digit numeric security code for added protection. Remove vehicle from the app. If you wish to remove your vehicle from the app, click on the Terms and Conditions and then select Remove this vehicle from the app. About tab. In the About tab, you can access information related to the app, including details such as the current app version, terms of use, terms and conditions, and licenses. Account tab. Under the Account tab, you have two primary options. Delete account. This option allows you to permanently delete your account. Log out. You can use this option to log out of your account.